Good morning. We're in week 5, and this week we will be looking at chapters 7 and 8, which are early childhood. And the key things that you need to think about here is what's the difference between the physical abilities of a child who's, say, 2 and a child who's 6? Because that's sort of the time frame we're looking at in this particular period of time. And so you'll notice quite major differences in terms of skill sets that children will have. So, for instance, a 2-year-old might grasp a pencil like it's a weapon, like it's like they take it in their hand and they hold it like this and they, draw great big circles and draw all over the place. Whereas by the time this child is 6, they're starting to have some fine finger skills where they can use the pen and hold it much the way an adult would. So that's sort of one example of the kinds of physical changes that you will note in this time frame. You'll also note big differences in children based on some of the ways they are raised. And so in particular, I want you to pay attention to Diane Beaumorin's theory on parenting style. And I've given you a couple of there's in my slide presentation there's something about that, but I've also given you a graphic that sort of expands on that a little bit more so you can have a better understanding of what the 4 different parenting styles are. The other thing that you'll notice is that as of Friday this week, you could start submitting your assignment. You don't have to. It's not due till the 14th, but if you want to get an early start, you're welcome to, as of Friday, which is June the 8th. The other thing that I'm doing is posting material from next week as well, so that you will have the resources you need to set up your experiment, especially if you're working with a child of an older age. So that said, good luck with your assignment, and good luck with getting through this material. Thank you.